In this video, we are going to see an interactive way on how you can install the AI functions in Excel for free by using a simple tool in the add-ins feature, and that help you to access a lot of AI tools. Like you can format using AI, you can extract the data using AI, you can create the AI tables, and you can ask AI anything directly in Excel and it will give you the answers in real time. So let's get started and let's see how we can do this. Just go to the Home tab and click on Add-ins right at the corner on the top right, and click on More Add-ins and just write ChatGPT on the search. Hit enter and we have this one which says ChatGPT for Excel. You'll just install this one, click on Continue, and that's it. Click on Update now. So we have all of these AI functions. Let me just try it once. Equals to AI, and we have the AI Ask, AI Choice, AI Extract, AI Fill, and a lot of more options. So let's see the use of it one by one. First of all, let's use the AI.ask function. Let me just use ChatGPT and just ask ChatGPT to write different general knowledge questions. Like, what is the longest river in the world? Let me just paste it here. Just write here that this is my question, that what is the longest river in the world? And the answer, we don't need to search it directly on the ChatGPT. We have the ChatGPT now right here in the Excel. So just use the equals to AI.ask function. And the prompt is this: just close the bracket, or otherwise Excel will close it for you. Hit enter. It's busy finding the information online and it shows us an error. I just processed it again and now it has shown the answer. Let me just wrap the text. It has shown us in detail about this. The longest river in the world is the Nile River, which is approximately 6650 kilometers long, and all of this information is extracted directly from the ChatGPT or the internet. Let's use the other one. This is the question now, and as soon as we hit enter, it is able to give us an answer. Let's try a different one, but make sure to remove the number, and immediately it got an answer. So this one is for AI.ask, but this task is very simple. Let me just try another question. Just copy the title here and just ask something different, like write a letter to get my tax certificates as I'm a freelancer. Let's write this. Let's ask AI. Use the formula AI.ask. Select this as a prompt, hit enter, and let's see the results. Let me just wrap text so that it can show properly. And once you did that, you can see, just reduce the size a little bit, and you can see that along with the titles and all the subject, it has completely generated a professional letter for you that you can just copy and paste to write the email to the tax authorities or whatever. And you can similarly ask for anything, like write a sick leave, hit enter, and here is your sick leave. Like write a sick leave and hit enter, here is your sick leave. So just try this function, and let's move to the next one, which is specifically designed for Excel, because this one you can ask ChatGPT directly for it as well. But this new function is called AI.fill. So what I can do is I can just ask ChatGPT to give us some data for different cities, relevant countries and continents. So Tokyo is in Japan and it's in continent of Asia. Let me just copy this data, paste it in our AI.fill sheet. Let me just remove all of this existing data, paste this one right here and format it a little bit. Okay, we have this. Let's say that all of the rest data is missing and we want AI to complete it automatically. Only a few samples is right above that. So AI can easily fill this data. Equals to AI.fill. Example, we will choose example of this top data. Make sure you select the headings as well. The partial data is whatever is missing. So all of the cities are there, country and continent is missing. That's it. Close the brackets and hit enter. It will take some time to process and then it will fill this data for us. So Mumbai is in India and it's in Asia. Moscow is in Russia, Europe. Dubai is in United Arab Emirates and it's also in Asia. But this one was a simpler data which can be easily picked up by Google. Let's try another data and ask ChatGPT to generate it for us. I've just asked generate a popular company's data, the industry they deal in, and where is their headquarters. So Apple deals in technology, and their headquarters is there. Just copy this table and let's place it right below this wrap text. Okay, let's remove the rest of the data. Just expand it so that we can see everything clearly. Let's use this. Let me just remove this. Equals to AI.fill. Example is all of these three filled data along with the headings, and the partial data that we want to complete with AI is this. Hit enter, and as you can see, it is able to complete all of this data easily by using a sample information.